man, welcome to the farm.
Hey, Carter Kingsbury, nice to meet you.
Carter, nice to meet you. Logan Lyon. So, nice day to do a little picking corn here in Scott County, Iowa. Yeah, so have you ever been to Combine?
No.
Yeah, nice. Well, welcome to the farm, man. Tell me a little bit about your main season in the wintertime.
Yeah, come around winter, we're working pretty much every day with classes, and then we go right into practice after classes, long days in the film room, on the court, and then taking care of our bodies afterwards. So what's the most challenging thing about being a farmer?
So just making sure all the equipment's ready for us, making sure everything's prepared. Hopefully at least looks like we know what we're doing. So just making sure that we have a good plan kind of spelled out, and that we can go out and execute that plan. So what do you think one of the most challenging things is about being a student athlete?
You obviously want to keep good grades while you're here. That's why you're here. Practices, long days, you can be tired, but sometimes some of us have to get study hours, others got to get their homework done, so just kind of keeping that balance. So you're working on the combine. Do you imagine that you could do all these chores with a big 7-footer in your way?
Shoot, I can hardly do this work without anybody else in my way. So no, I can't imagine you guys boxing other players out and doing that stuff. Farmers are kind of lone wolves sometimes, so working alone is sometimes the preferred method. So no, I think I'll avoid that and leave it to the professionals. So one of the things we do on our farm is not just corn farm, but we also make a lot of hay, a lot of small square bales, about 40, 50 pounds each. Think you can put in a full day throwing bales, or you think you'd have to call it a sub?
I think I'm definitely going to need a sub eventually, but I'd like to think I could
stick around for a while.
I can stick around for a little bit.
All right.
Yeah, I've got a morning workout, a game, and an afternoon lift. What's your excuse for not coming to our game?
Well, I mean, we kind of start early and we kind of go most all day. So I don't think I have what it takes to be a collegiate athlete. So, but I do think we got our days filled up pretty good. Taking care of livestock and that stuff. But I'll cheer you guys on from the couch with some milk and cookies at the end of the day.
Right. I can't argue with that.